Hi, this is Erin Yarbrough with Ideal Homes and Neighborhoods coming to you from the International Builder Show. One of the trends that we're seeing are fun and quirky kitchens. So this one from Smeg is actually a tall pattern from Smeg. How do you guys feel about this? Dolce & Gabbana in our kitchen, unique. And then over here, especially since we're in Florida, check out Mickey Mouse on this super cute Smeg refrigerator. Not something we offer in our design center, but truly something unique to spice up your home.